Good day, everyone. This is SpeakUP, and today it will be about languages in the Philippines. So, eyes on your screen and enjoy watching. Do you know that the Philippines has 185 identified languages plus dialects? Don't worry, I'm not going to talk about all those languages and dialects. Actually, there are only 2 out of 185 that we consider our official languages in the Philippines, and those are Filipino and English. Wait, Filipino? Don't people call it Tagalog? Well, there are still many people who say that one of our official languages is called Tagalog. But for your information, Tagalog was just made a basis of the national language back in 1937. Did you know that Spanish and English were considered our official languages in the past? During the Spanish colonial period, the Spanish language was actually used officially, and it is also the country's first official language. What about English? Well, during the American colonial period, English was added as an official language with Spanish. So, does that mean Filipinos now can speak Spanish and English? No and yes. No, not all Filipinos can speak and understand the Spanish language at present, but there are thousands of loanwords in our Philippine native languages. As for English, yes, many Filipinos can still speak and understand the language. Aside from the fact that English is taught in schools early, Filipinos are also constantly exposed to English through the media. Many Filipinos spoke several native languages, or as they are called, bilingual or multilingual, and that is true even at present. The Philippines is a place where many languages plus dialects are spoken, and this makes Filipinos naturally trained to speak more than one language. I hope this video made you more interested in my country. If you want to know more details, you can check out my references in the description section below. Thanks for watching.